guys, look at the Queen Artist YouTube channel. Is that your intro right now?
No.
Okay, go ahead, do your intro.
Get off of me, out of here with that property. Treat my goals like property, collect them like Monopoly. I probably won't come if there's not a fee. And if that track comes stopping me, I swear both ways back out of me.
Hi. Can you sit up, please?
I was ready. I've been ready.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And today, we have a special guest with us.
What's up?
My brother, Prince Fridler. And so today we're going to try Haitian snacks, straight from Haiti. Haiti.
Because we are
Haitian.
At the same time.
Yeah, my aunt and grandma just came from Haiti and they brought us some snacks from the market. So we're going to try them today.
I'm gonna try to. Oh crap. Sorry, I cut this out. I need to say I need to talk to her. Cut that out. Hello? Hey. Bye. You cut that out, man. Alright, sorry, where were we? Continue from where we last left. I think I'm about to open this, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna cut this out though.
Cut what out?
Right now.
Are you gonna keep the stuff you had before though?
I paused it while you were on the phone.
But it says we start from 20 seconds. Is this stuff you
I
already,
just started.
stuff you already recorded still
No.
saved? So you cut everything out?
Yes.
You don't even start from the beginning?
No, I saved it.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Anyways, you need a video?
So we're gonna try these muffins. Elsa muffins.
Elsa!
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 Creole!
Creole! Elsa!
They don't say say.
Oh.
They say
American!
ah.
In America we say Elsa. Elsa. You don't say Elsa, it's not frozen.
I'm gonna try it first. I'm so nervous now.
I'm not. I'll be a taste tester. I'm a good taste tester, guys. I know it tastes good. I'll tell you if it tastes good.
It smells good.
Hold on.
It's kind of tough.
I'm a smell tester too.
I don't think it's.
Let me tell my bum. You didn't eat correctly.
That's tough.
Edit that out.
That's tough, but it's good. You don't like it?
I'm trying to go away from the hard taste. It's good overall.
I like it.
Feel like fresh. It'll be really good. The texture is really good.
All right, we're not doing all of that.
It'll be alright because it's food review. Thank you.
No, because you're gonna make the video long.
But yeah, I tell them the whole dynamic of each taste bud that's touching it. When they touch my teeth and when they touch my tongue. Can you stop? Your head looks big. Move back.
Delicioso.
Can't go. So we're drinking some H2O to eliminate the I was trying to sound smart, but that was a fail.
We're gonna get to the real
Next
stuff.
up.
All right, Deuce Palm, sweet popcorn.
Juice means sweet.
I guess palm. No, pepet maïs. I don't know what palm means. Ah! It's like they're gonna hear dad in the background.
He keeps yelling on the phone. Fun fact, Haitians don't talk on the phone, they yell. Facts.
Yes? Yes? Are you okay?
I just started thinking about it too.
That smells good.
I am the official nose duster person. Smells like that old thing back in the day. What is it called? That remember that old
In the box?
thing? Yeah.
I don't remember what it's called. I don't think I ever knew what it's called.
Wait.
It's basically what's
honey
it?
popcorn.
Honey caramel.
Caramel. That's what I meant to say.
Caramel
popcorn.
coated popcorn.
All right, ready?
You got a small piece.
Does it matter? Whatever. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it matters.
It tastes like regular.
This is exactly what I thought it was gonna taste like. This is good though. Get the moist and the slickness of it. It's good.
It has a different aftertaste. It doesn't taste like the American caramel popcorn.
You remember it?
No, I'm just saying this doesn't taste like caramel and popcorn. It has a little extraness in it. You don't think so?
Oh,
It tastes
Fine,
Haitian.
man.
It tastes like
oh yeah, aftertaste.
tablet.
Yeah, I was thinking that too. The
Yeah.
aftertaste, I'll say that.
You see?
And I
Because
feel like
it
the,
tastes like-
the smell is getting I feel like it's coming from my mouth right now.
Yeah.
I could, yeah. That,
There's some spice that they put in this. It's not just. Oh, here it says, maïs, I think, sucré, épices naturelles.
Anyway, let me read it correctly. Maïs, sucré, pièces, naturelles.
There's
But
an
I'm doing
E.
the spell. I'm doing the spell.
Yeah, so that's corn, popcorn, sugar, caramel, spices, natural spices,
Alright. Next.
pomme de terre like I, house potatoes, potato chips.
1, 2, 3.
That's tough. It's tough. It's not salted.
Not.
I don't really like it. It needs salt. That's all. It needs salt.
bland chip. I know that one tastes good.
Banana like I. Papi-
We need this or can we get this
Papita. Banana cell. I don't know. Is that supposed to be plankton?
one? Yes, I think so. It looks like plankton.
Banana. Oh yeah.
It looks like plankton.
Yeah, banana pheasant. I always get banana and banana confused.
It looks like banana. Look at this.
No, I was thinking of banana. I was thinking it was the.
Is that what people do online? With the hands? Can y'all see now? Can you see? But yeah, if you're Haitian, you know what banana pizza looks like. It looks like banana pizza.
These are banana chips. Plantain chips. Banana is plantain.
I feel like I already know what this tastes like.
Yeah, this is good. Move on.
Yeah.
So this is gnocchi.
I like peanuts. Yeah, you're doing it right, dude. There we
No,
go. See
the
now?
name. We're looking for the name.
I think I want the stuff. Hold on, I got it. I can see now, right? My hands are there, so y'all should be able to see, just because my hand is there, for no other reason.
Duh.
For no other reason, only because my hand.
But is that not true?
The hand held, but I don't think people should just think that because you put your hand there. You
Look,
can see now.
look.
Sorry. Yes.
You saw that difference?
Yes, I saw.
This looks like it's either candied peanuts or just regular peanuts. Can you please pay attention?
Alright, 3, 2, 1. You say it's good, but it's not like peanuts.
Yeah, it's good.
I like it.
I haven't had peanuts in such a long time. That's
Ooh,
good.
transformation.
I'm about to eat this with some ice cream.
Huh? Eat this with some ice. Did you say ice cream or did I hear it correctly?
Peanuts and ice cream. You ever heard of a sundae? Remember at McDonald's when we get sundaes with peanuts?
Okay. Hey, Jimmy, I remember that. Next.
Thank you. Next. Thank you. Next. Thank you. Choose what's next.
I choose you.
No, not this one. I want to do this one last.
What?
I don't know what this is. Chum chum pistache. Chan. I don't know. Whatever, we'll do this one.
I got you. Y'all see it now?
And now I'm thinking about it. Maybe it's like powder.
What do I have to try first?
Because you have to smell it. Be
Doesn't
careful.
smell I'm blowing my nose so it doesn't smell good. like the second time I was thinking
Oh.
about it. Anyway, that was terrible.
I'm scared now. You so over exaggerated. It's not good. This is what good dirt, I imagine, tastes like.
Huh? Different flavor of the dirt, guys. I'm eating all Haitian food at all the Haitian churches because, you know.
Right.
Aren't you the first one? Yeah, get out of here.
For our last snack, is lamb.
Anyway, tortilla chips. That's fine.
What?
Lamb
I don't even think it's tortilla.
vertab la caille. Lamb vertab la caille. I found a different accent.
Lamb
Lamb
veritab.
Lamb vertab la caille.
I think it's veritab.
Anyway, lamb vertab. You see it? Lamb vertab la caille. Comment what it's called.
Comment? How are we supposed to know?
You get to comment your videos. Come on, hey, get people. This is just like the banana visit type thing. It's gonna be the exact
I don't know
same
what
thing.
this is. I don't know what lamb.
It's just like that.
But now, no. Ew! No, you're disgusting for still eating it. That thing's nasty. That has a terrible aftertaste.
If I get to the one good thing I text you here,
Now the last thing.
the real last. Not the last, fake last, this is the real last.
So this one isn't a snack, it's a drink.
Bongo.
Bongo.
So you can see. Bongo, which means
Good taste.
good taste, good drink.
What I wanted to try was Big Shake because of the Big Shake commercial. Insert here.
Annonce. Scène 1, take 10. Et action! Supplément nutritif riche en vitamines, protéines et calcium.
Not even funny. But funny is subjective, so let me not say anything. I apologize to all the people who thought that was funny. Anywho was.
But my aunt didn't bring that. That's okay, because she brought bongo.
Which is better.
Yeah, we already tasted this before, so I don't know why we're trying it on camera.
But it tastes good. Just so y'all know, this is good, man. Watch my expression after I drink it.
He has vanilla, I have strawberry.
Ah, it's good.
Bon goût, game bon goût.
That's good though.
Goût est bon. Bon goût.
Overall reaction or overall, not good. Doesn't mean Haitian food is not good. Haitian food is really good. But
It's
these
just
snacks,
snacks.
these chips, Haitian food tastes good. These snacks do not.
Facts. Alright guys, so that was our video. Us trying Haitian snacks.
Snacks with a veil, but yeah. Want me to say something? Make sure you like. Crap, put that on there. Huh?
Yeah.
That's how the wrong thing. Like, comment, subscribe. That's supposed to be in that order.
Make sure you.
Smash that like button.
Alright, we gotta redo it.
Make sure you
Smash that like button. Destroy the comment section and subscribe.
Super Saiyan God. And that's it. Bye, guys.
Alright, bye.